welcome back to another video, and today is a product review. And this product I have never used before, and to be honest, I've never used dry shampoo. So today we'll be using, and I know I'm gonna get the name wrong because I always get people names wrong. So this is called Taliah Waajid. I don't know. Let me take the price off of it. At my local store, my hair store, I spent $7.99 for this. And this is gonna be my first time using it. Her products. She has different products. This is protective style. So this is the dry shampoo, and it refresh so clean. It's bamboo, avocado, and peppermint with witch hazel, which we'll see, because witch hazel on your hair. But it's dry gel shampoo. It gently cleanses, refreshing scalp, and will not disturb your protective style. And this product line, because she has many, or he has many, and this is for protective styling, strength, conditions, and repair. And you can care underneath for weaves, braids, wigs, crochet, updos, two-strand twists, and faux locks. So it says effect: hair will weaken when not cared for while wearing protective styles, heat treated styles, and consistent style changing. A good hair regimen is important to keeping your hair scalp healthy and strong. And so it says with this one, it is infused with big words that I don't know how to say. But it has bamboo, biotin, and basil to protect, strengthen, and stimulate the hair and scalp, creating a healthy scalp and strand environment to encourage growth. And then it also explains other things, like what each product does, but I don't want this to be too long. So this says, for strong healthy hair, strengthens, protect hair and scalp, used to refresh and renew hair, scalp, cleanse, and alleviate scalp impurities, cleanses without disturbing hairstyle. And it says, for directions, use deep cleaning and refreshing, apply refresh so clean bamboo and basil dry gel directly to the scalp, one area at a time. Use a small damp towel to rub, cleanse each area, and move on to the next area, and repeat until entire scalp has been cleaned and refreshed. No rinse necessary. The optional to follow up with is the bamboo basil moisture strength leave-in conditioner with bamboo growth oil. And the treatment, it says, wet towel and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Wrap head in medium hot towel carefully. The towel is not too hot to help open the pores and stimulate blood flow. So basically, this is the dry shampoo. Now, I never used dry shampoo in my entire life because it's dry shampoo. I don't think it really cleans the scalp, but we're gonna see. The follow-up I actually got is the bamboo, avocado, and peppermint conditioning restoring serum, and this is made with aloe and shea. Its daily conditioning treatment prevents dryness and damage, and it basically is the same thing. It says, for best results, use 3 times a day. So this is kind of like daily moisturizer to your scalp and your skin, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'll be applying that on, but I also had got the intense moisture bamboo and coconut milk with aloe vera, with aloe and sunflower oil. This is the strengthening leave-in conditioner, and this detangles, condition, moisturizes, softens, and strengthens your hair. And so the directions for this one, it says after shampooing, towel dry your hair and just spray on to your hair from your roots to your ends. So with this one, I would say you could spray on your braids to condition your hair underneath the braids, and the serum you can use to condition your scalp, to get to your scalp. But I'm going to use these to condition my braids and this to condition my scalp. I'm not going to use it every day because I do use my what is it, my wild hair growth oil. I do use that to cleanse my scalp, well, not cleanse it, but to moisturize my scalp at night. So we're gonna try these products, see how it goes, and yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and get into the video. So I'm sitting here with the conditioner and I'm like, okay, it's not spraying, like, and this spray has a little latch on it. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but the little latch is right here, and like you could flip it on and off. This is smart, but yeah, I just had a slow moment. But yeah, now I'm about to spray this on my braids. Okay, you guys, so this was a quick and easy wash day for protective styles without using shampoo or conditioner, which is amazing. And after I use these products, well, after I use the dry shampoo, I can really feel the mint in it. I know it has basil and peppermint. Yeah, so I can really feel the peppermint. My hair loves it, especially as soon as I put that hot rag on there. Now that's my microfiber towel, and basically what I did is I wet it, and then, you know, your girl put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and put it on my head. And once I did that, it opened up. Like, I could tell my pores are opening up. Like, my pores it's minty. Like, it's minty, okay? So yeah, these are actually my first time trying these products. If you want these products, you can get them at Walmart, your local beauty store, or Target. And, you know, follow me on all of my social media and like this channel, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys more with how I keep my protective styles up and protect my hair under my protective style. So I'll see you guys in the next video.